Kev G, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, we're looking at a stormy Halloween day. And preceding Halloween, much of what we have now is what we're going to have over the next 24 to 36 hours. Just a lot of drizzle, fog, some light rain at times. We are really stuck in this murky weather pattern to end October. Now, I don't think we're going to get much of a break on Thursday as far as the overall rainfall is concerned. If you're looking to find out the best time to go trick-or-treating with the kiddie poos, it would probably be earlier rather than later. But I think the whole day is pretty much we're just dodging raindrops for the majority of the day. Maybe you'll get a break for an hour or two. This covers the rain through 8 o'clock, from 2 o'clock to 8 o'clock on Thursday. And then there's more rain to follow after this on Thursday night. So even if you're going out on Halloween night, not looking the best, it's looking like it's going to be a wet Thursday night indeed, and it's going to be coming down moderate to heavy at times. So when we take a look at the particulars off of the GFS model, this is the way it looks for Wednesday afternoon, and we're still stuck in this onshore flow with clouds and drizzle and areas of fog and rain, and the heaviest rain doesn't arrive until about late Wednesday night, early Thursday. So when we push it forward, yep, that's snow over the Midwest, Iowa, Wisconsin, northern Illinois. But for us, it's just plain rain. And the rain starts early on Thursday. It's more steady than it will be over the next 24 hours. It'll start to be more steady and concentrated. And then just more of the same for Thursday afternoon, Thursday night. It looks like basically a washout. Maybe we get an hour or two in the afternoon where there's a lull in the precipitation. But overall, you're looking at 1 to 2 inches of rain. And it'll be coming down pretty heavy at times. I think the heaviest rain is north and west of the city, but nonetheless, everybody gets a soaking rain. Areas over the Hudson Valley and points north stand to get possibly over 2 inches of rain. So another soaking rain is on the way, and much cooler behind the departing storm system. And we get into November. Now, our normal high temperatures for this time of year should be around 60. So when we look at the weather overview off of Weather Underground, this is being generous. Wednesday, Thursday, I don't think we're getting up to 69. Too much cloud cover and too much rain in the picture. I think our temperatures will basically not move from where they are. They'll basically be in the upper 50s to lower 60s for the next couple of days. We have to get rid of the storm system first. And then Friday, much cooler behind the front. And Sunday, look at that, crispy, 52, 36 at night. And only a slow moderation in temps. It looks like the warmer day is Tuesday of next week, but that will probably bring with it a chance of rain with the warm air coming in. So a stormy Halloween for you for 2019.